Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a lip combo. If you're new to my channel, girl, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, period. So the lip combo colors with the glosses that I'm using will be the NYX glosses. I got 4 different NYX glosses in the color Madeline, Leches, Creme Brûlée, and I just had to and Fortune Cookie. Y'all, these my favorite. Like, make sure y'all get these. The lip I got on now is Fortune Cookie, and I use this dark brown pencil called Colortone and the dark brown, and I outlined in my lips, and then I added the Fortune Cookie. So y'all can see what it look like. Y'all already see it. Y'all can pretty much already see. I'm gonna add a little more at the bottom. Yeah, period. It's like a, ooh, look at it. Make sure you blend it in though. But yeah, I'm finna wipe my lips off. So I'm gonna do this Colortone. I'm gonna use this Colortone outline with all the colors, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. So now I'm gonna go in with my pencil, the Colortone pencil. You really can mix and match, but this is a dark brown and the Colortone one, and then it's another dark brown that I use. And even if you got like small lips, you make your lips appear bigger when you outline. You can never love him, you can never trust him. I just wanna be your shawty. That's pretty color. Then I'm gonna blend it up a little bit. I'm gonna add the Creme Brûlée color. I'm gonna go in with Creme Brûlée and the NYX. I think this is like a real light pink. And this is like a light pink, y'all. Damn, I didn't even take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. So this what this one looks like. Like, you place a bandage and I'm healing. You are the reason. You place a bandage and I'm healing. You are the reason I'm in deep. Period. So we did trust, we did this. You mean so much to me. I know I tell you it's a lot, but baby, you did Madeline. So Madeline, I'm gonna do Madeline this. So this is the NK dark brown pencil. This gonna give you that blue. I ain't gotta like add gloss to this because it's already like glossing up. But you can add more lip gloss if you want to, but it's already kind of glossy. So I'm really not gonna add pink. We're gonna use this same brown. This same blue brown I used, the NK brown. I'm gonna try the Colortone brown and the Madeline. I'm gonna do the Madeline in your color. Last color. Y'all know when y'all do the mamas used to wear the outline with the gloss, and it was just looking like this with gloss on top. It's actually cute. You just have to blend it out. And this probably looks black, but it's not black. And now a little bit, so it can look ombre. And then add the Madeline. Yeah. Y'all see how this one looks? This is what this color looks like. Period. Make sure y'all drop down below which one was your favorite. Yeah, just drop down below which one was your favorite one, and make sure y'all get y'all some of these, cause baby, this the bomb. Period. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial, and I'll see y'all in my next video.